Hey, what's up guys, welcome back into my channel. So in today's video I'm basically going to be doing like an unboxing slash first impressions review of these Harmless cigarettes. So they just came in this like bubble wrap packaging, and yeah, the two flavors that I got are the original lemon and the fresh mint ones. So basically, if you've never heard of these, they're meant to be like, I guess, better alternatives to smoking and vaping. I'll just read what the back says. Basically, it says Harmless cigarette is a therapeutic quit smoking aid that promotes various remedies to help make quitting easy. It can help overcome the urge to smoke, reduce cravings, and satisfy hand-to-mouth gestures associated with smoking. So basically, they're meant to be like 100% natural ingredients. There's no nicotine, no tobacco, and no liquid. So yeah, let's just open this up and see what it looks like. Alrighty, so okay, I'm sorry about the packaging, but I'm just gonna like rip it open. Okay, so I should say that I don't actually smoke or vape, but I feel like I could give this to my dad and he would probably enjoy it. So yeah, inside you've just got like this information booklet. Basically it's got like a list of tips on how to quit smoking. And then what else is in here? You've got a no smoking sticker. That's hilarious. That's all. That's actually really cool. I don't know where I'm gonna put that, but that's cool. And then yeah, you've basically got 3 little like packages of cigarettes. So yeah, let's just open it up. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like this is a pretty good replica, I guess. Like, if you were far away, if someone was like far away, you probably couldn't even tell like if I was smoking a real or a fake one. But yeah, this one has a really minty smell. Like, it smells pretty good actually. So this is, yeah, the fresh mint flavor, and obviously, you know, because it isn't a real cigarette, you're allowed to take it on planes, you're allowed to travel with it, you're allowed to take it to work. Like, it's not a real cigarette. So yeah, that's the mint one. It smells really good. That's all I can really say. It smells kind of like what chewing gum would smell like. So now I'm just gonna open up the lemon one, so just so I can see what it's like. Alright. So again, it's pretty much the same thing. You've got the information booklet about like how to quit smoking, various techniques, and then you've just got the packets of the cigarettes. So when I'm gonna open it up, that's what the lemon one looks like. I think it actually looks exactly the same. Yeah, so the ones, they're both kind of like have this grey butt thing, and then they just have like a green tip. The lemon one, it smells pretty good as well. Like, it smells like lemon flavor. So yeah, I mean, I haven't really tried it, but I'll probably just give it to my dad because he smokes and vapes. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I will definitely keep you guys posted. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you later. Ciao.